Hey, yesterday we made a post about 5 things how CBD can help you, and I wanted to record a video because it has so much good feedback on that post. So I wanted to put it into words and explain a little bit more about that. So stay tuned. Number 1, sleep. Well, before you go to sleep, you want to be relaxed, you want to be calmed down, you want to pretty much get rid of all the thoughts that you are bothering you and stopping you from falling asleep. That's exactly what CBD does. So 1 hour before going to sleep, I take just a few drops, usually a quarter of a dropper, sublingually, and I know that by the time my head hits the pillow, I will fall asleep. Another aspect is that CBD helps you to stay asleep during the nighttime. So it interacts with your circadian rhythm so you can be relaxed during the nighttime and get a restful sleep.
Number 2 is inflammations. CBD has anti-inflammatory properties. As you know, our bodies have the endocannabinoid system, which is a network of receptors, CB1 and CB2. So whenever we have an inflammation in our body, those receptors find that spot. What LiefRoyal Oil does, it helps our ECS find that inflammation quicker, and by doing so, it supports the healing process.
Number 3, anxiety. This one is really big, and it was really big for me personally. Starting a new business gives you a lot of moments where you feel anxiety. If you are reducing your sources of income, that's what's going to happen. What CBD does, it reduces the anxiety by calming you down. You feel more relaxed. And the background is, again, the endocannabinoid system. Certainly, we have receptors in our brain, in our nervous system as well. They work with our neurotransmitters. So what CBD does, it improves the flow of neurons so we can be more relaxed and have a clear focus.
Number 4, alertness. I take CBD oil in the mornings and a lot of times before my workouts, so that makes me more focused and alerted.
Number 5, CBD has a huge positive impact on our immune system. Why? Let's reverse the question. What weakens our immune system? It's stress and inflammations. If you are able to reduce inflammations and stress less during the day, sleep better, which recovers your body, will definitely improve your immune system.
To sum it up, you're going to sleep better. You're going to reduce your inflammations. You're going to stress less. You are going to be more focused during the day. And you're going to boost your immune system. Putting it all together, your overall well-being is going to be better for sure. You can get your LiefRoyal oil at LiefRoyal.com, and if you can't decide whether you want mint or orange, we have a special. You can buy one and get the second one 50% off. Stay healthy and positive.